Hi, it's James here from Chapman Machinery, and today we're going to do a product walk around video for the PC series of sweeper collectors. The PC series are a powered sweeper collector for sweeping up a range of stuff such as animal droppings, leaves or grass clippings. Whatever you need to sweep up, collect in a hopper and move elsewhere and tip. The range comes in two working widths, so we've got the PC 120 at 1.2 metre working width and then the PC 150 at a 1.5 metre working width. Both of those are standard, come with a Honda petrol engine. We also do an electric or a battery powered version, which is available if you check out our other videos. So one of the key things with the Paddock Cleaner range, when we designed it several years ago, is to make it very, very easy to use and operate. And the way we did that was by going for a single axle design, which means that it's really, really easy to use and move about. You can move it by hand just to demonstrate how easy it is. And with a single axle, it means it's great for towing and also reversing. Compared to some models which have, from competitors, which have four wheels, which are very hard to reverse, this is just like a normal trailer. What we'll do is we'll go through the PC 150, some of the features and benefits, why it is a great machine for you. So, starting at the front, you've got a standard 50mm ball coupling with a swivel drawbar on there to allow for undulating ground. We can also supply it with a pin hitch as well. Moving back from that, jockey wheel for hitching and unhitching, and also the drawbar is height adjustable to allow for a range of towing vehicles. You've got a row of tines at the front of the machine, so these spring tines are there to agitate the ground if you're trying to pull thatch out, or for example if you've got large mounds of muck that you need to break up so that they're swept up cleanly. High quality spring tines, height adjustable as well. Undo that handle, drop it down, matter of seconds to do that. So moving back from there, you've got the actual Honda engine itself. Really, really reliable engines, solid units, very reliable, very easy to use, because we've got electric start as standard on the GX200s, and you've also got a recoil start as a backup should it be needed. Fully self-contained unit, so you've got the battery for the engine electronics contained in there if you do need to do any servicing. One of the key things we've done this year over previous years is we've changed the drive system to make it easier to use, quieter, and generally easier to service. So we've removed the wet reduction gearbox on there and just gone with the normal drive system to add those benefits in. The tipping mechanism on these, which I'll show you shortly, is all fully electric. And one of the reasons we've added that into this machine is you can do the tipping from the towing vehicle. There's no need to get off and wind a lever to be able to tip it. You can simply do it from the quad or ATV, whatever you're towing it with, easy as pressing a button. So the control box that comes with this has got masses of cable, so it'll reach the front of a UTV if required, and it's really, really simple to use. A raise and lower arrow, and then you've also got some warning dials here for a low battery or an overload. So for example, if you get a stick stuck in the hopper, something like that, that'll flash up and you know what's going on. With the PC 120 and the 150, you've got a fully steel hopper, tips to a really nice steep angle, so you can just reverse up to your muck heap or wherever and unload easily. You'll notice as well on the front of these, they've got a mesh grill here. So this allows you to see when the hopper is getting full, so you know when you need to tip. Hopper capacity, approximately 550 litres on the PC 120 and 700 litres on the PC 150. So what I'll do now is I'll raise that up, and again you can see, just press the button, it's as easy as that, and we can have a look at the running gear on the machine. While the hopper's raising up, just a point to note here is the main height adjustment, really easy to use with this handle, and it's got a keeper to retain it as well. So as you can see, the tipping angle on the hopper is really steep, almost 90 degrees, so it's self-emptying when you're unloading. And then if you look into the internals of the machine, you can see the brush bars we use. So the rotating brush bars use plastic bristles on plastic carriers. So you've got no issues with the carrier bars rotting away. They last for absolutely ages, but easy to replace as and when they wear down and you need to. So just a quick recap, excuse me. PC 120, 1.2 metre working width, 550 litre capacity. PC 150, 1.5 metre working width and 700 litre capacity. Both come with a Honda GX200 electric start engine. Both have the tipping mechanism and control box. Fantastic machines, produced for a number of years now, really tried and tested. Available now from your nearest dealer or distributor.